Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you will be notified every time we post a video in our channel. Thank you. Welcome back to Amrita's timeline. Today's recipe is smoked Afghani chicken. So first I have taken one medium sized onion cut into 4 pieces. Next I'm adding 2 cloves of ginger, 2 green chillis and 6 to 7 cloves of garlic. Let's just make a very fine paste, and the paste is ready and you can see the paste is very smooth. Now I'm taking the chicken. Here I have taken 500 gram of chicken. Into that I'm adding the paste. Next I'm taking the grinder again, adding 1 cup of milk, half cup of curd, 1/4 cup of kasuri methi and 2 tablespoons of cream. Now I'm again making a very fine paste out of it. Now this paste is also done and it will be little watery. Don't worry about that. So next I'm taking the chicken bowl again and adding this paste. Next is 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. I'm adding the oil so that the chicken pieces will be very soft and juicy. So first is 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, half teaspoon of cinnamon powder and salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of cashew paste. Now next part is mixing. We have to mix the chicken pieces with all the masalas very well. We have to coat the chicken pieces very well and we will keep this bowl for 30 minutes for the marination, and after 30 minutes we will fry the chicken pieces. So let's wait for 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes. Now I'm trying to shallow fry the chicken pieces. So I have taken 2 tablespoons of ghee on my skillet and I'm placing the chicken pieces so that it can be fried. And now I'm putting the lid on. We'll wait for next 8 to 10 minutes and the flame is on low to medium. It's been 10 minutes. I'm flipping over the chicken pieces so that the other side will be cooked also. Okay, the flipping part is also done. I'm putting the lid on again and we'll wait for another 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes. Let's check it out, and yes, the chicken pieces are done. Now I'm adding the rest of the masalas so that the gravy will be well cooked. I'm mixing the masalas with the fried chickens. Yes, now I'm putting the lid again and we'll wait for at least 15 to 20 minutes or until the chicken is ready. It's been 20 minutes and as you can see the oil is separating from the chicken pieces or from the gravy, so that's mean it's done. Now I'm placing 1 small piece of charcoal and onto that I have added 1 teaspoon of ghee so that we will be having a very nice smoky flavor. It's been 1 minute. After 1 minute we are removing the charcoal and as you can see the chicken pieces looks very yummy and juicy and they are absolutely done. Now I'm going to switch off my flame, and throughout the recipe the flame will be low to medium. Don't hurry up, you need to be very patient, and voila, your smoked Afghani chicken is ready. So thanks for watching, and if you are having any recommendation or suggestion, please let us know that in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.